Hey guys, it's Miranda here at Sunshine and Grace, where I make journals and ephemera for life sown in sunshine and grown in grace. Today I'm doing a little bit of mask making. I am making some, I ran out of like pockets and that kind of stuff over the last couple days. So I want to mask make some of these, just, everybody makes them. The standard triple pocket, 1, 2, 3, yeah, triple. And I usually do a fourth pocket right here. And then I've got some envelopes I'm going to do in a separate video. And I'm using up a magazine. It came in the other day, and I just want to, it had some really great Christmassy pictures, some really pretty stuff. So I wanted to use it to make, I may make these into, no, we'll do them. Okay, to make these with, because the images are great. So we're going to do the triple pocket corner thingy. And this is like the easiest thing in the world. You fold your paper in half. Doesn't matter what size it is. Any size is going to work. As long as you can make it fold into quarters. Still work with it. I have done these like super tiny, tiny. Don't have one here, but I have done it in very tiny ones. I'm going to pick which side I think looks more interesting. I'm going to fold it with this side out, although I do love that picture. And you'll still be able to see this. Okay, on this one, I'm doing it just slightly different. On this one, I folded it literally just like straight edged. This one, I'm going to fold a little lip. You will see why. Because it gives a different look. Okay, crease that. So you folded it hamburger and then hamburger, but with an offset. Kind of like one of those Kaiser-y buns or something. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take and fold one corner down, the top corner, take the top piece, fold it all the way down till the corner touches here. That gives you a 90-degree angle, which is what you want. And you're going to take this one, fold it down, but not as much, so that you have like about a 1/2 inch lip all the way around it. Then you're going to take this top one, and now you saw we offshot. On this one, what I did was folded this down. But because we did that corner fold, I wanted to show more of the picture behind. So that's why we offset it a little bit. And we're not folding that, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take and glue this edge. Like that. I'm just using art glitter glue. Very simple. Then you're going to tuck this up in there like that. And you're going to put a little bit of glue on it. Just a tiny bit. You just want to hold it down so it doesn't pop up when you're trying to stick stuff in and out. And this is the only tricky part. You do have to kind of be careful tucking that in. Then we're going to take this. And you could, if you wanted to, tuck it in the other way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I have to look at it. The pocket will open out that way. So I'm going to glue this bottom edge or side edge. It becomes the bottom edge. Okay, there you go. You have got one very cute little pocket. Now you want to glue right over here. Oh, man. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. It looks good. Yeah. Okay, glue it. I do that every time. I'll think, oh, I like that picture now. But then it's too late because I've already started slapping glue down. You should probably check that before you slap the glue down. Okay, your pocket's done. You have one top pocket here. You have a pocket here and a pocket here and a little pocket here. So you actually have 4 pockets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And then if you glue this down in a U shape on your paper, you have 5 pockets. Okay. How easy is that? Of course, we're going to decorate this little puppy. This is the only one I'm decorating. The rest are mask makes. But just to give you an idea of how you would use it, because right now it does look like a magazine page. So what I usually do is I take and first off ink that puppy up, because you know me and the inking. And a magazine page feels kind of thin when you work with it. It's got like a ease to fold it, but it's really, they're really sturdy. I don't understand why they are. You're going to want to grab something to tuck in there so that you can kind of ink that edge. I might have got a little carried away with the glue there. So, okay, that's bad inking. One thing about magazine papers, you can kind of, that's a very, wow, it's showing like all the circlies. I don't like that. But I want to ink it. And then sometimes on magazine page, what I will do is take something like this to kind of blend that, which it isn't doing what I want. I don't recommend this tip, you guys, but we're going to try it anyways. I want water on this, and I don't have a brush anymore, so I'm literally just going to put just a smidge. Okay, that's a smidge. I want it to blend. It is not blending. So if I put a little wet in it, there you go. See, now we're getting some weirdness happening. Okay, all my circlies are gone. And we've got a weird see-through thing happening, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, there we go. That turned out pretty good. So that's inked. Now we want some pretty things. I'm sorry, my desk is still a hot mess from my Christmas swaps that I did earlier in the week. That I've actually made videos for, so they should be up on my YouTube already, or at least one of them is. I think the other one's still waiting, but yeah, I still need to edit the second one. Okay, so we're just going to find a piece of lace that we like. Obviously, it's not going to be cream now because we made that very dark, but it adds so much interest, don't you think? I do think. I think it adds a lot of interest. We have a lot of redness, so we may, instead of lace, we may use like a ribbon. How would something like that look? That'd be kind of cute. That'd be kind of cute, wouldn't it? And then we could put lace on that. Okay, so just snip your, whatever you're using off. Find your beacon 3-in-1. Went right in front of you. It's been one of those weeks. I am not joking, you guys. It doesn't matter what I've tried to do this week. It's been just like, I guess it's just having to get back in the swing of it. I was a little, I've been a little frustrated this week. I got basically fired, low-key fired. They won't outright fire me, but they just restricted me at work for no real reason. I do the job literally exactly the way they say. But they keep saying that's not good enough. So they are working on firing me, which is not good, but it's okay. It'll motivate me. Okay, I'm just snipping these in so they don't hang over so much. So they kind of fit in the shape of the thing. Guys, already loving it. All right, now we can put a little piece of lace on there. Maybe something like this. See how that made that lace pop? And that's a lace I'm not really actually all that fond of. So to use it would be nice. Okay, now we'll run a bead again. It is Saturday here today. While I'm thinking of it, I would like to ask that all of y'all keep my friend Cheryl, her family, in your prayers. Her daughter was in a horrible accident a couple nights ago, and the warehouse where she worked at, something exploded and she was burned badly. It's Cheryl Talufas here on YouTube, but y'all just keep her, the whole family, in your prayers. The daughter is, yeah, she needs our prayers badly. She's been on my heart ever since the accident happened. Cheryl's one of the sweetest people I know, and just like I say, a very dear sister to me in Christ. And yeah, it's just heartbreaking. They've been through so much with the hurricanes and stuff down there, and yeah, I was just like, oh my lands, y'all are getting hit bad. Okay. I'm thinking I might want to use this somewhere. I kind of like it. It's got some pizzazz. But I don't know. Does it look weird? Maybe it'd look all right there. I'm just trying to add interest without adding a lot of bulk to this, because you do want to kind of keep these flat because you're going to load them up with stuff. So you don't want to put a lot of like big chunky things. Okay, yeah, I like that. We've got lace, we've got pretty things. What a word. I've got all these Christmas things laying around. I need to use them up. Most of y'all know I'm not super into the whole Christmas. I don't do a lot of Christmas themed things, but for some reason this year I decided to do a bunch of the swaps and ended up with tons of Christmas stuff. So kind of playing with it and learning to like it. It's just not my normal thing. And I still haven't cleaned anything up since the craft fair and being sick. Because we got sick right after the crafts, like just a few, it was like the same week. And then, yeah, I just didn't, I'm really just now starting to get back in here to the studio to work. I don't like that. So, yeah, it was rough. I'm not going to lie. It's been rough. And we just keep, like, it's like the gift that keeps on giving. I keep hacking and choking and coughing constantly and can't quit. My son the other day, I started choking at night. Not really choking, but just like coughing. He's like, Mom, you have developed a smoker's cough. He's like, but you've never smoked a day in your life. And then he gives me this look and he's like, have you? I'm like, no, I have honestly not. To grow up with a mom who smoked, that could, secondhand smoke is a thing. But, yeah, I've never smoked. So, okay. Candy canes. And that's about all I'm going to do to that one. Now, you see how easy and cute that is. Okay. All right. That's it, you guys. That was about the simple thing. Short and sweet. That's what I'm about today. And it turned out so cute because you think, well, let's just load it. Say we have some of these. Tuck those into that smaller front pocket. We could tuck a piece bell in there. What else have we got? We could do another one of these back here and turn it the other way for interest. Stick a North Pole tag in there. We could stick one of these little puppies in there. That one went into the second one back there. And then let's pretend this isn't just even cut apart. And load the back pocket with some things. What else is in here? Some words. Ooh, I like those. Okay. And this weird little creepy thing. Okay, there we go. Loaded up. How cute is that, you guys? I mean, wouldn't that just be adorable? Just tucked in a page, glued on a page. You could glue it in the U shape, like I said earlier, and make a fifth pocket back there. Oh, little pocket. I forgot about it. What's in here that's cute? Like a Merry Christmas be yours. Let's just tuck something like this in there. Something a little different. A couple of botanical pictures. To kind of add some interest. And there you go. Okay. That is adorable. Oh, I love it. See, this is what I'm talking about. I'm not normally into the Christmassy stuff, but this year I'm really, oh my. That's going to get tucked back in here too. None of this is even staying in here. Why am I obsessing? I don't know, but I am. Okay. I love it. I'm leaving it alone. No, I'm not. Because I saw that. Do you see what I'm talking about, you guys? You could do these things up all day long and have so much fun doing it. If y'all hear a weird noise, that's the tractor, because my husband finally feels like going out and doing something. My son's at work today. My husband's outside working, and I am crafting. And it is good. Okay, so I'm going to end this video. Y'all know the routine. Make sure you Let me know what you think of this in the comments, because I love to read your comments. If you try it, I would love to see it. So look me up over on Facebook. There's the Facebook group where you can share your makes. And there's also just my Facebook page, my personal page, and my business page for Sunshine and Grace. And you can just find the link tree below. It's got all of my social media. It's got my Instagram. There's a Pinterest. I don't even know what's on there anymore, because in the last 2 weeks, I've done nothing on it, hardly. So, but it's on there. And y'all follow me. That's the best way to keep in touch with me and to get a hold of me. If you guys have any suggestions of things you would like to see or see me make, love to hear them, because I'm always looking for new ideas. And like I say, please keep Cheryl and her daughter Lindsay and her family in your prayers. They really do need them, and it's just a heartbreaking situation. And before I go, I just want to remind y'all that Jesus loves you so much, he died for you. If you don't already know that, I would love to tell you about my precious Savior and get you settled for eternity right now. So, yeah, if you don't know him, then say, hey, tell me this love story. Tell me the greatest love story ever, please. Because I'd like to know where I'm going to go when I leave this world. All right. Love y'all. Y'all have a great day, and we will chat soon. Okay. Grace and peace. Bye-bye.